Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like for you to give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and check out my links below if you would like to support this channel. Okay? So I have a little twist for you today, something that I've never tried, but we're going to give it a shot, right? I have some cheese tortellini. We're going to actually fry them and see what happens. You know, normally you boil them and you have them like with a meat sauce or something like that. But I'm going to just fry them and see if we can use them as an appetizer. So, come on, join me. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so this is the deep fryer that I'm going to be using. I'm going to put one in as a test just to see what happens. Okay, my oil is hot enough, so I'm going to drop some in. Okay, let me just move things around. Guys, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I am giving it a try, okay? So let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is help. Who have you helped lately? Have you helped a neighbor? Have you helped the elderly? Have you helped a dog or a cat or a child? Who have you helped lately? Okay, so your assignment is go ahead and share you with someone else by giving a helping hand, okay? That's a quick word of the day. Give someone else a helping hand. Go help. That's the word. All right. Okay, guys, I can definitely see that some of them are opening up. You remember they were round? Well, some of the openings have opened. But it still looks good. It could still pass for an appetizer. So I'm going to give that a few more minutes, and then I'll take them out, and I think I'm going to sprinkle some, maybe some adobo on it or something. Yeah, that sounds good. So I want to take one out and taste it. That's how it looks. I'm blowing it. Oh wow. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like cheese sticks. Okay, I'm going to take them out. Really tastes good. fried cheese tortellini. Who'da knew? Okay guys, I'm going to plate that up and let you see it. 1 second. Okay guys, I just want you to take a look at that. Isn't that pretty? Who would have known that you could just fry them as an appetizer? See, that's why you got to try new stuff. Don't be afraid to try. So let me taste one for you. Okay. Let me take a taste. That one. Mmm. It's not hard, not soft. It's a medium texture. When I bite into it, that cheese just comes right out. It tastes like fried cheese sticks. That's a home run, guys. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Love you.